Hello folks, today I've got a different bit of a setup. I've had to use this old vice because when I was putting in the vice it was just moving all over. I couldn't get any suction, so I had to pull my old yellow vice out, table vice. So anyway, today I've got a Chubb 7 lever spring bolt with, that's called a shrouded, and that's the nozzled banker's till draw lever lock. You can see there's the spring. There's your key for that bad boy. So let's see if we can get it picked. Lift that up there just to get that all around. Right, let's go start the bottom. The clicks are the levers that are binding, that are setting. Hand cramp. Like I say, I suffer with bad hands, and some days my hands are mint and I can pick for fun, and then other days I've got it and it's picked. That was that one lever. I'm glad about that because my hands are not the best today. Anyway, let's get this thing gutted. Just get this out of the vice and move this table vice out the road. It's been a long time since I've used my table vice like. Right, I'll just spin this round here. As you can see, that is all picked, and then that is back open, springs back open. There's the two. And like I say, you can use these magnets. I got them off my kids ages ago, and I thought if you scrap gone, I just thought I'd put on there, which I should have used that really. Anyway, let's get this thing stripped. The thing is, I haven't got a tiny screwdriver. My screwdrivers are massive, so I've just got to use this pick to get the screw out. I think what's one out, two out. That's the screws. And there you go, look how tiny them levers are. And then you've got the little Chubb there as well, the Chubb sign. Them levers are absolutely tiny. So we'll just stick that there like that. There's my little lever thing. They're the proper tiniest levers I've ever seen. 1, 2, 3, 4. No false gates on these levers, just basic levers, don't need till draw. You can see it must have cost a bit to build these things back in the day, because I can't imagine it being cheap to build something like this, especially with 7 levers. 7 levers, that means it's high security. Get these off. Oops, oh, lost one. Damn it. Lost a lever. I'll find that in a minute. No numbers on the levers. So there's the levers. And so how will you strip that? There's the stub there. your stump. Let's see how we can get this off. I'm going to see if I can get it off. I think I'll pull the stump off. No, I'll just leave that like that. I'm just going to see if I can find this air lever. I'm going to escape me on the loose. Oh, I hate when this happens. Absolutely hate it. There it is. I've got it. There's number 7. So I'll just move this. That screw as well, look how mad that is. See that screw? The threading on it. Looks like a little witch's stick or something. So anyway, I'll give you another look in it there. Spring bolt, as you can see, that's how it works. And there is your lever pack. Tiny them levers are. Alright, so there you go, there's a Chubb. Where's the Chubb sign now? Where's the Chubb on there? Yeah, there's the Chubb sign there. So there you go, Chubb, 7 lever, spring bolted cashiers to draw, lever lock, picked and gutted. And next year I will have some more locks soon. There you go, guys. Just like that. There you go. And there you go. So hope you like, guys. Thanks for watching. Laters.